Hello, how are you? In this video, we will talk about similarity and dissimilarity measure. So first we will talk about similarity measure. The similarity between the data is a numerical measure of the degree to which the two data are alike or similar. Okay, so the similarity between two tuples. Okay, so suppose it's a data set. Okay, and here A, B, C, D. These are the rows. So A, B, C, D, these are called rows or tuples or data. So we have to identify the similarity between AB or AC or AD. Okay, and the dimension of the data, say we can say this is 1, 2 up to D. Okay, so D is the number of attributes or dimension of the database. A, B, C, D are the rows or tuples or data of the table. So our aim is to identify similarity between A and B. Okay, now note that similarity between A and B always should be in between 0 to 1. Okay, now what is the significance of 0 to 1? Now first of all you should know the characteristics of good similarity measure. For all A belongs to D. So what is D? Let D is the database. So similarity between A and A always should be 1. Suppose another A is there here and they are identical. So for all A belongs to D, similarity between A comma A, it is 1. That means, so 1 means what? They are alike, they are similar. And for all A and B belongs to D, similarity between A and B is equal to 0 if A and B are dissimilar. If they are completely different, if A and B are completely different, then A and B, the similarity between A and B should be 0. So that is if A and B are dissimilar. Okay. Similarly, for all A, B and C belongs to D, similarity AB is less than similarity A comma C indicates that A is more like C than B. A is more like C than B. So we can use similarity measure in classification, in clustering, documentation and so on. Now we'll see different similarity measure. Now we'll see one by one. So first one is what? First one is what? Jaccard similarity. So we'll talk about here different similarity measure. So Jaccard similarity. So similarity Jaccard, okay, capital J, in between A and B. The formula is very simple. Formula is what? Summation of 1 to D. What is D? What is D? D is the dimension 1 to D. AI, BI. What is A and BI? A and B, those are two data, divided by summation of I is equal to 1 to D AI square plus summation of 1 to D BI square minus summation of 1 to D AI BI. Suppose A is equal to, say 4 attributes are there, say 1 2 3 1 3 1 2 1. So if it is the case, we have to calculate the similarity between A and B. So easily we can calculate, say say A is equal to what? 1 2 3 and 1. And what is B? B is nothing but 3 1 2 1. Now first of all we have to calculate AI square. Okay, so if you calculate AI square, that means what? Square of this, so 1 square 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9 and 1. Similarly we have to calculate BI square. So BI square is what? 3 into 3 9, 1 into 1 1, 2 2s are 4 and 1. And we have to similarly we have to calculate AIBI. So if you calculate AIBI, then what will happen? AIBI, that 1 into 3, 3, okay, 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 2, 6, 1 into 1, 1. Okay, and we have to add this one. We have to apply summation. So if you add all these things, 9 plus 4, 13, 14, 15. It should be 15. Similarly, B square. Okay, so summation of B square, BI square. So 9 plus 4, 13, 14, 15. It is also 15. And what about AIBI? So 6 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is what our 12. So we have to put all the values here. So summation of AIBI. So summation of AIBI is what? It is 12. Summation of AI square, it is 15. Summation of BI square, it is also 15. Minus AIBI, that is 12. So we can write here 12 by, so 12, 15 minus 12, it is 3, it is 18. Okay, so the answer is 0.667. Okay. Okay, so this is what Jacquard similarity. Next we calculate dissimilarity. So we can write similar dice in between A and B. Summation of 1 to D AIBI divided by 2 into, okay, summation of 1 to D AI square plus 1 to D BI square. Okay, so we can apply same data set for calculation. So 2 into summation of AIBI. So this is what our summation of AIBI, that is 12, divided by AI square, that is 15, plus BI square, it is also 15. Okay, 0.80. Okay, now next is cosine. Cosine similarity. Now we use this particular similarity for document similarity. To compare two documents, we use this particular cosine similarity. So similarity cosine A and B, summation of 1 to D AIBI divided by summation of 1 to D AI square into 1 to D BI square. Okay, that means summation of AIBI is what? It is already calculated, it is 12. Okay, we can see here it is 12 divided by AI square is 15 and BI square is also 15. So the answer is, okay, so 12 by 15 is equal to 0.80. After that, overlap is there. Fourth one is what? Overlap. So similarity overlap in between A and B. The formula is very simple. Summation of 1 to D AIBI divided by minimum in between 1 to D AI square summation of 1 to D BI square. Okay, so summation of AIBI is what? It is 12. So summation of AIBI, it is 12, already have done. And minimum in between square, it is 15, and BI square, it is also 15. So it is 12 by 15. The answer is 0.80. Okay, now you can do one thing. So I am giving you one data set. Distance between AB using Jacquard, dice and cosine overlap. You just pause the video and we just calculate the answer. Give me the answer. Okay, so these two A and B are the data. So first of all, we have to calculate AI square. Okay, so 0 square, 6 square, 3 square, 1 square, BI square, 2 square, 4 square, 1 square, 3 square, and AIBI. So this is the AIBI and this is the summation. So the similarity of Jacquard, it was summation of I is equal to 1 to D AIBI by AI square plus BI square minus AIBI. So what is AIBI? it is summation of ai bi is what? It is 30 divided by ai square, that is 46, bi square, it is summation of bi square, it is 30 minus ai bi, it is also 30. So it is what? 30 by 46. Okay, and the answer is 0.6521. Similarly, if it is a dice, so similarly dice in between A and B. Okay, so 2 into, you know the formula. Okay, so this is the formula, you just apply this particular formula. So 2 into AIBI, that is 30 divided by summation of ai square, that is 46, plus bi square, that is 30. So 60 by 76. Okay, it is 0.7894. Okay, similarly if it is a cosine, in between a and b, so summation of ai bi, already you know, that is 30 square root of ai square, that is 46, into bi square, that is 30. Okay, so similarity equation is what? 30 divided by square root of 46 into 30, that is 30 by 37.50, that is 0.8075. And finally, similarity overlap in between a and b, so it is what? Summation of ai bi, that is 30 divided by minimum in between ai square, that is 46, and bi square, that is 30. So minimum is what? It is 30. Answer is 1. Okay.